One of the strongest impediments to inmates filing lawsuits is that they're still going to be in that prison surrounded by those guards. And very often those guards are not going to have body cameras on, and they're going to be surrounded by areas where there's no video footage. And very often prison guards are willing to scratch each other's backs. So if let's say you have an inmate that sues a prison guard, and now that prison guard has to go to court. Let's even say that the inmate beats the prison guard and wins a sizable verdict or settlement against that prison because of that prison guard. What's going to happen now is that inmate is going to be put under a microscope. Anytime he even sneezes the wrong way, he's going to get what's called a ticket. He's going to get what's called a misconduct. He's going to get loss of certain privileges. He's not going to be able to have visitation with his family. And there's all kinds of things that can happen within a prison system that can deter an inmate from taking legal action, because there's going to be all kinds of ways for the prison or the other prison guards to justify this. And make no mistake about it, in prison, there's all kinds of different types of ways of doing time. There's level 1 all the way up to level 5. The differences between level 1 and level 5 within a prison is going to be how much freedom that inmate has within that prison system. Sometimes they are locked up in their cell 23 hours a day. Sometimes they're only in their cell when they're sleeping. Sometimes they get a half hour of yard per day. Sometimes they get 3 or 4 or 5 hours of yard time per day. There's all kinds of rights and privileges that can be taken within a prison system. So one of the strongest things that prevents inmates from taking legal action against a prison or against a prison guard is the knowledge that they can lose the little bit of freedom and the little bit of rights that they have in prison for any reason, or frankly for no reason.